was George Martin's splendid theme one for Radio 1. And this morning we've played it in full on both Radio 1 and 2. Well, in a few moments, it's going to be 7 o'clock, time for the first Tony Blackburn show on Radio 1, whilst Breakfast Special continues on Radio 2 with Paul Hollingdale. But now, with the clock ticking slowly up to 7 a.m., it's going to be time to welcome Radio 1's first early show on 247 metres medium wave, whilst Breakfast Special continues on Radio 2. 10 seconds to go before Radio 1, Tony Blackburn, and Radio 2, Paul Hollingdale. Stand by for switching. Get tuned to Radio 1 or 2. 5, 4, 3. Radio 2, Radio 1, go.
The voice of Radio 1. Just for fun. Music. Too much.
And good morning, everyone. It's 50 years ago today since I welcome you to the exciting new sound of Radio 1. And 50 years on, we've even gone a little back. When Radio 1 started in 1967, I was there to wake you up every day of the week, apart from Sunday. And today, we're recreating the first ever show. So, let's away! If this doesn't wake you up, then nothing will. This was number 3 this week, 50 years ago in the Radio 1 Fun 30 from The Move. It's called Flowers in the Rain.
Woke up one morning, half asleep, with all my blankets in a heap, and yellow roses scattered all around. The time was still approaching, for I couldn't stand it anymore, so there he goes upon my idle dime. I'm just sitting watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, making the garden grow. I'm just sitting watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, keeping me cool. So I lay upon my side with all the windows open wide, couldn't pressurize my head from speaking, hoping not to make a sound. I pushed my bed into the ground in time to catch the sight that I was seeing. I'm just sitting watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, making the garden grow. I'm just sitting watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, keeping me cool. In this perfect place I have to keep, and this is how it has to be. If my girl is getting wet, I don't see that it's much to me. I heard the flowers in the breeze make conversation with the trees, really to leave reality behind me. With my commitments in a mess, my sleep is far away depressed, in a world of fantasy you'll find me. I am just sitting watching flowers in the rain,